Hi, this is Mears, and this is our story. To begin with, of course, planning is the key. And of course, to do this, hindi pwedeng walang food sa planning. And yes, we got Jollibee! Planning is easy pero nauwi ito sa chismisan. Kasi nga, we decided to make a Filipino delicacy merienda dessert. Ginataing mais with a twist. Yes, you can hear sila yung nag-uusap dito kasi as the youngest from the group, I allowed and trust these two to decide what is best and not for our plating in food. Syempre, alam niyo naman, sila yung mas nakakaalam. Syempre, tayo ay sadyang sunod lang ng sunod sa kanila ba? Ganon! Tara! At dito sa part na to, nako, nandito na nasusubok ang aming generational gap sa pag-decide because aminin, iba ang taste ng bata sa designs and colors kesa taste ng mga nakakabata. Ramdam ko dito ang tense but not hit. So far comes lang kami. Yet hindi ko na na-record yung mga decision na nagaganap kasi nga super duper ingay sa Novo. And finally, no gaps but love. Nagkakasundo na din sa mga details on what to purchase. Ay, salamat po! Yes, girl, kamusta ang mag-isa? Hay, nako, apakahirap buuin ng team namin na para bang mga LDR kami sa isa't isa. Well, thanks to Miss Mera for understanding to start the cooking session while pauwi kami ni Miss Beth from Manila. And here's the process of our cooking. Dumating na din kami ni Miss Beth to help Miss Mera completely. Apologize po, this delicacy is simple, but this is not my recipe idea to share. I do respect my team because our master said, there's a lot of Filipino merienda but every cook has different story and taste to tell. Yan, sarap! Halo lang po ng halo! Finally, the final product, the cheese mousse. It was derived from the word cheese, representing the dessert's primary flavor and signature twist, and the word mousse symbolizing the feeling that team hopes every taster experience after enjoying the dessert. You savor the twist, enjoy the cheese, and the taste test began. Naka po, parang nag-enjoy si boss dyan. Na para bang nilalasap niya yung bawat... Ay, nako na lang sir, hindi ko rin explain ko ano ang dapat kong ma-explain at masabi dito sapagkat maraming salamat po sa pagtikim ng aming gawa. Dahil sa iyo, nakakatanggap ang bawat grupo ng champion, panalo, at sarap. Okay po, maraming salamat po. Pinalo ni Sir Blas kayo.